Good morning, students. Class 7, Chemistry, Chapter 1st, Part 9th. The composition of matter. Matter is ultimately composed of elements. It means matter is nothing but elements, or matter contains the element. Now, what is this element? A substance that cannot be split into simpler substance by a chemical means is called an element. Split means divide. So, element cannot be divided into a simpler form or a simpler substance by any chemical reaction is called an element. For more information, you can follow a periodic table. There is nearly 118 elements are present. Let us see few examples. Hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen and carbon. These all are the elements. Hydrogen is an element, symbol is H. Nitrogen, symbol is N. Oxygen, O. Carbon, C. Next point, compound. When two or more elements chemically combine together, form compound. Compound is made up of two or more elements and they are chemically combined. We need a chemical reaction or they combine chemically and compound form. So compound formed by elements, maybe two or more than two elements. A compound can be split into its constituents elements by a chemical mean. So compound can be split. Here you can see one difference that element cannot be split but the compound can be split. Split again it means divide. So compound can be divided into its constituents by which it is made up of. So by which compound is made up of, it can be split. So a substance that can be split into a simpler substance by a chemical mean is called a compound. This is the definition of compound, very important. You can mark from year to year and keep in mind that it is a substance, compound is a substance that can be split into a simpler substance by a help of chemical reaction and thus is called as a compound.